Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this rainfall bathroom faucet for rain purposes. So let's take everything out of the box. First thing we see when we open it is some manuals for installing the gasket, the proper instruction manual of the faucet, and some white gloves for the installation, which I think it's great. Okay, it comes really well protected with this kind of black foam, which I think it's great. And this is it. Okay, this is a drainage part that you can lock and unlock, which I think it's great. This is the main unit. As you can see, it's a pull-out faucet, which I think it's nice, and it has 360 degrees movement around, which I think it's nice. It has this really nice brushed metal finish, which I think it's excellent. And to control the temperature of the faucet, you have this level, and moving it forward or reverse depends how hot or cold the water is going to come out. It seems like a really easy installation. It even comes with the base plate, which I think it's great. So let's start installing it. Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed, and what I like about it, this type of faucet is that, well, it's pulled out. As you can see, it has a weight, so it retracts itself. But you have 3 different sprayer modes, which I think it's great. Okay, well, as you can see, it has this forward stream, this rainfall like or waterfall, as you want to see it, style, or you got this button right here, and you can use this mode to clean your bathroom sink or wherever you need. I think it's great. And overall, because it's really easy to use, and as I said, you have a lot of movement around, you can use it for any application that you need in your bathroom, in your kitchen sink, wherever you want to place it. I think it's gonna do an amazing work. And overall, I like it a lot. It's really easy to install, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.